The MacBook Pro 16 is now one of the greatest laptops money can buy, but it has a new contender that delivers outstanding performance for gaming and productivity, and it is none other than the Galaxy Book 3.
Trust me, I know.
Also, if you need a laptop that is both lightweight and sturdy, the Galaxy Book 3 fits the bill. In that case, let's go through the ways in which it outshines the MacBook Pro 16. Compatibility. The Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Ultra may be a little chunkier than its siblings, but its slim profile is still remarkable when you consider its high-end components like its 76 watt-hour battery and quad AKG speakers. It weighs 3.9 pounds and is somewhat smaller and lighter than the 16-inch M2 MacBook Pro.
Wow, that's great.
Which measures 14.0 x 9.8 x 0.7 inches. The combination of portability and strength of the Galaxy Book 3 Ultra might prove to be a deal breaker for mobile creative professionals. Samsung also adds, "Don't get weighed down when you're making moves." The profile of the Galaxy Book 3 Ultra packs major power into a minimalist package that's amazingly portable, so you can be ready wherever inspiration strikes. We'll get to the Galaxy Book 3's stunning display and how it stacks up against the MacBook Pro 16 in a bit. Gaming. The Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Ultra's specialized graphics processing unit, GPU, is very powerful. There are two RTX 40 series cards that you may choose from 4050 and 4070. In addition to offering outstanding performance in graphically demanding creative programs, this opens up a whole new world of computer gaming. Apple still doesn't appear to give the gaming experience on the MacBook much care, even if the MacBook Pro is a good laptop. In addition, Galaxy Book 3 has more ports, which we will discuss later on, so stay tuned. Display. The Galaxy Book 3 series has a screen technology called Dynamic AMOLED 2X by Samsung. Apple, however, is using its tried-and-true liquid Retina XDR screen. Although both screens are great, thanks to their 120 Hz refresh rates and high resolutions, there are some key differences, such as brightness, that should be considered if you want to use your laptop outside. The maximum brightness of the MacBook is 1,600 nits, and it can reach 1,000 nits in HDR mode. Just 400 nits can be reached on Samsung's screen.
I'm not satisfied.
Regardless, the screen on the Galaxy Book 3 Pro is brighter since Samsung integrated its AMOLED technology into the device. Samsung claims its screen can show 120% of the DCI-P3 color space. Technically speaking, Apple's Liquid Retina XDR is an LCD that employs IPS technology, boasting a high pixel density and tiny LEDs clustered into local zones that may be individually muted. This aids in the production of higher contrast ratios. But if you're the kind who's usually binge-watching Netflix or clicking through YouTube videos, the Galaxy Book 3 Pro is the way to go. We believe that the AMOLED screen of the Galaxy Book is superior. Nonetheless, if you're interested in seeing more of our laptop reviews, subscribe to our channel right now. Number pad. The extra number pad is only included in the Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Ultra model. This is an excellent tool for data input, but in addition to that, you can program macros for any games or creative applications that you use. The usage of these shortcuts makes it simpler and more efficient than before. Even without a number pad, you can certainly use them, but you won't benefit from the increased speed that comes with having one. Ports and connectivity. The two computers shown both support Wi-Fi 6E, yet Bluetooth 5.3 is available on the MacBook Pro, whereas Bluetooth 5.1 is only available on the Galaxy Book 3 Pro. Although there is not a noticeable change, we do not give it much weight. Nevertheless, none of these portable computers supports 5G networks. MagSafe charging is included in the MacBook Pro 16, so you don't have to use the USB-C connector on your smartphone whenever your MacBook needs juice. A full-size SD card slot, an additional Thunderbolt 4 connector, HDMI, and a 3.5mm headphone jack are all included in the MacBook. The Galaxy Book 3 Pro contains a microSD card slot, a USB-A connector, a Thunderbolt 4 port, and a Thunderbolt 3 port. The Galaxy Book 3 Pro's inclusion of USB-A is helpful since it eliminates the need for a dongle when connecting older USB drives. But the device's HDMI connector only supports the older 1.4 standard, limiting its usefulness with modern 4K displays. Although microSD cards are becoming less widespread, they are still a fantastic option to increase storage space for your photos. Like the first Galaxy Books, the new Ultra and Pro laptops are interoperable with other Galaxy products. Transferring files between your mobile device and a desktop computer is a breeze. It's possible, for instance, to begin editing a file on your Galaxy phone and complete it on your Galaxy Book.
Impressive.
Also, your Samsung Buds can toggle between your devices mechanically. The Samsung Galaxy Book 3 series boasts a magnificent display, excellent speakers, excellent fit and finish, and a good minimalist design. While the large high-resolution OLED display may be to blame for the rather disappointing battery life, it's still usable, provided you don't mind carrying a charger around. The S23 series also made its debut on the same day as the Galaxy Book 3. If you're interested in learning more about it, our next video has got you covered, so join us there.